Well, okay, I'm in my RV with the system right here. Okay, battery, this housing area for this duct system. This is the problem. This duct system don't fit. So I can't fully set it up and use it because this don't fit. And obviously it don't fit here anywhere. So my problem is, well, I don't have a problem, but you sent the wrong housing area, I guess, to ecosystem 2 or 3, but this housing area does not fit the duct system that go on the top of this HVAC portable system. So be mindful if you order it that you get all your parts. I had to track down the 1-800 number. I can't tell you how it works yet because I'm still trying to get somebody to answer my question. But yeah, basically this housing duct area right here does not fit the top of the machine at all. This one right here, fine, but this one don't.